This is how you make sweet and sour chicken. So good. Hey there, what is up guys? So today I'll be showing you how to make sweet and sour chicken. This is one of my favorite dishes. This dish is very popular, especially in Chinese takeaways or restaurants. And I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to make this dish. Hopefully you can give it a try at home. So let's go. So first of all, we need to prepare the chicken. One chicken breast. This is quite a large one, so it should be enough for a meal for two. Slice off the side, the top, trim off. We need to cut it into cubes. So roughly that's how big you want your chicken to be. Into the bowl. Now we're going to marinate the chicken. Tiny bit of salt, less than half a teaspoon, yeah. A tiny bit of MSG, is optional if you like, less than half a teaspoon. Some sesame oil around the side, white pepper, dash, some Shaoxing cooking wine around the side, and one egg white. The egg white will make your chicken nice and juicy and provides moisture for the chicken. Give it a quick mix. Now that the chicken is marinating, we're going to prepare some vegetables. I have some pineapples here. You can get these from supermarkets. They've already been chopped, so it's very easy. Slice it into chunks, about this big. Carrot, at an angle, 2 chunks. Slice. And finally, some green and red peppers. You only need a very small amount. I'm only going to use an end piece. Slice it into small chunks. For the sweet and sour sauce, you're going to need some tomato ketchup, some white vinegar, and some sugar. Now I'm going to show you how to butter the chicken. Get yourself an extra bowl and get yourself a sieve. Potato starch flour into the bowl. Give it a mix. We want the potato starch to fully coat the chicken, so we're going to need a larger amount. Don't be afraid to put more in and give it a mix. When it feels dry in your hands and it feels loose, that's the consistency we want. Into the sieve and give it a shake. Shake off the excess flour and into the bowl. And there you are guys, your chicken's ready for frying. Alright guys, so now we have our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Wok on. Oil. Heat up your oil. How do you know your oil's ready? Get some water. Flick it. Now it's ready. Chicken into the wok. High heat. Give it a shake. Don't touch the chicken yet. Give it about 10 seconds. Let the oil set. Right now, push. Break the chicken apart. Medium heat. Alright guys, the chicken's becoming very crispy now. Fry for another 2 minutes. Now, for the final 10 seconds, we're going to turn it back on high heat and we're going to get our vegetables ready. Peppers and carrots in. Off the heat and strain it. And there you are guys. Quick wash. Yeah, in the wok, bit of oil, tomato ketchup. About 2 tablespoons. Water, 1 ladle. Vinegar, about 1 tablespoon. Sugar, about 1.5 tablespoons. Give it a quick taste. A bit more sugar and a bit more ketchup. And we're going to thicken it with some potato starch water. High heat. A bit more. This is the consistency you want. Pineapples in. Chicken and veg in. High heat. Give it a toss. Oil. And now we serve. Add some sesame seeds if you like. Pineapple. Nice and sweet. Chicken. Nice and coated in the sauce. Still crispy. Delicious. Alright guys, give it a try at home. Hope you've enjoyed watching and I'll catch you next time. Bye!